Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, when I first came across this story, what took you so long was the first thought that sprung to my mind, because we of course all the way through on this channel have been doing this. We've been referring to Malam Buhari by his proper appellation, which of course is Malam. That is the title from where he comes from. That is how they respect each other. In Yoruba land is Ogbeni. So if you call me Ogbeni, for instance, that is Mr. or Sir. So in Malam Buhari's region, is a title, their form of reference, their form of deference is Malam. So Malam is nothing else but Malam, because it's of course a Fulani man. But now it looks as though now the Nigerian space is now catching up with what we are doing on this channel. So apparently, allegedly, the Punch newspaper has now reverted to Buhari's military title in the 80s, to use that as the reference for him, because they have now made that decision now that Nigeria does not really have a president. So from henceforth, the Punch newspaper is going to be referring to Malam Buhari as Major General Buhari. So with that, guys, I bring you this. Buhari reacts as Punch changes president's title to Major General. So that's the headline. Buhari reacts as Punch changes president's title to Major General. So now let's see now what this narrative is. The presidency has reacted to the decision by Punch newspaper to henceforth refer to President Muhammadu Buhari as General Buhari. In a notice titled Buhari's Lawlessness, Our Stand, Punch stated that it will henceforth prefix Buhari's name with his rank as a military dictator in the 80s, Major General, and refer to his administration as a regime until they purge themselves of their insufferable contempt for the rule of law. Punch said its decision shows its protest against autocracy and military-style repression under Buhari's administration. However, in reaction to Punch's decision, Femi Adesina, a senior special assistant to the president on media and publicity, said the newspaper's decision to call Buhari Major General is not out of order. Adesina on his Twitter page Adesina added that Buhari had earned the rank Major General. According to him, Punch publication is proof of press freedom under Buhari's administration. Adesina wrote, if you decide to call him Major General, he wasn't dashed the rank, he earned it. So you are not completely out of order. The fact that you can do so is even another testimony to press freedom in Nigeria. So now Major General he is now to others, but of course on this channel he will always and forever remain Malam. He's Malam Buhari and nothing else. So now let's see now what public opinion has to say about this, because I think there's been a gathering of opinions in this regard. Actually, let's leave public opinions on this one, because I don't want this video to drag on for too long, but you can form your thoughts and come share those thoughts with me. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this decision that the Punch newspaper has taken, and do you want other newspapers in Nigeria to follow through as well? It's like peaceful disobedience, like a pushback against these people sort of thing. So come tell me what your thoughts are about all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.